Hello everyone. Today I would like to introduce a very hot gaming laptop model in the price range, that is ASUS TUF Gaming A15, code FA506 and FES51. This laptop is equipped with a 15.6-inch Full HD screen, 144Hz refresh rate, providing a smooth visual experience, extremely ideal for you to play FPS games like Valorant, CS:GO or Apex Legends. In terms of configuration, the machine runs on AMD Ryzen 5 7535HS processor, with NVIDIA GeForce RTX 2050 discrete graphics card, helping to play games smoothly, render videos, and do light to medium graphics extremely well. 8GB DDR5 RAM and super fast 512GB PCIe Gen 4 SSD, helping the machine boot, open applications, and load games in just a snap. If you need to upgrade, the machine supports RAM and SSD expansion very easily. The device also supports Wi-Fi 6 high-speed connection standard, reduced latency, extremely suitable for playing online games or studying and working remotely. Extremely cool design, US military standard MALSTD810H, for high durability, good impact resistance, true to the durable, powerful TUF gaming line. This is an extremely valuable choice in the price range under 20 million, suitable for IT students, semi-professional gamers, or those who need a versatile, strong, durable laptop at a reasonable price. If you are looking for a gaming laptop that plays games well, works well, has a strong design, then ASUS TUF Gaming A15 FA506 and FES51 is an extremely worthy choice to consider. Please click here, thank you.